Okay, now let's talk about third-party modules and pip. The Python package index hosts hundreds of thousands of third-party packages. .pip is the tool that pip is the tool that downloads and installs them. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies to avoid conflicts. Always use virtual environments per project. They prevent dependencies hell. Requirements.txt is the standard way to share what packages a project needs, and request NumPy and Pandas are the most widely used third-party packages. So let's just quickly create a new project, and let's just create a new project, and I'm going to name it third-party modules and pip. Okay, first, and let's just clear it quickly. Okay, because we don't need it. So let's just quickly rename it and rename project. So I'm gonna call it third for third party or third party project modules and pip. Okay, so if you want to install a package, all you need to do is go to the terminal window, terminal commands, not Python code. Okay, so if I want to install uh, packages such as request NumPy and Pandas, all I need to do is come here, terminal, and here I just have to write pip install, and I have to write the name of the packages. Okay, since I already installed them, so I don't need to install them. Okay, now most important thing that you need to know is that if you want to know how many packages are installed, so you have to come here, the terminal window, and here just have to pip install, pip list, sorry. So you will see how many packages are installed here. So you can see that. Okay, I think these packages are not installed since I didn't get any details here. So let's just quickly install request. Okay, and now this package will be installed. Similarly, you can install pip install NumPy and Pandas. Okay, now let's just check how many packages are installed. Pip list, sorry. And you can see that NumPy, Pandas and request, all these packages are installed now. So we are ready to go and continue our programming now. Okay, so let's find this way. Okay, most important thing that you need to know is that sometimes you need when you are going to send your project to someone, he may ask the requirements. Okay, like how many packages are installed here. So for that you need to use this command pip freeze and requirements dot txt. Okay, so this is for save dependencies. Okay, save deps, and all you have to do is just copy it and come to the terminal window and just put it here, and you can see that requirement.txt is just created here. Here you can see all the packages you have installed: NumPy, Pandas, request, and whatever else have installed. All are pasted here. Sometimes when you send a paper to someone or your project to someone, so he may need to know how many packages are installed. So this document is often needed. Okay, you may also want to know like how many modules or packages you have installed. Now let's come to the main file, and most importantly, if someone send you the package, the project, okay, and it doesn't run on your computer, and you may not know how many packages are installed here. Okay, so if you want to install all the packages when someone send you their project, and you want to run it on your computer, and you want to install all the packages in the project, all you need to do is just pip install and requirements.txt. You just have to paste it in the terminal, and all the packages of the project will be automatically installed. What it does, it restore this for you. Okay, now let's just do some work. Import. I'm gonna import the module, the package, and this package is usually used for HTTP request. Okay, so let's just create a variable name response, and okay, you don't need it, so let's just save a variable response, and let's just get the data from GitHub. HTTPS double slash api.github.com. Okay, so when you want to get data from GitHub, so all you have to do is friend response dot status dot code. Okay, and let it assign a value of 200, and let's just call another variable. Okay, the data or the information from GitHub is usually in JSON form, so we need to convert it to Python. Now you just have to print data, and we are interested in what the current user URL. Like there are many information, and you just want to pick the current user URL, and you just have to run it. This is git, not git. Now you can see that information is displayed on the screen, and you just send a response to GitHub to provide you the information, the data. Now if you import the module, import NumPy is np. Okay, and you just assign a variable a name np dot array. Okay, you just create this list of numbers. Now if you want to print the mean, print the mean, okay, mean of of this data, all you need to do is insert np.mean array. Okay, and then you can see that when you run it, you can see the output here. Mean is 5. You can also print median. Okay, you can also print minimum, and you can also print maximum, and whatever you want to. You can also print standard deviation. Okay, and when I run it, you can see all the information displayed here. Standard deviation minimum is 1 and maximum is 9, and all these are displayed below. Median, mean, and now let's come to the package Pandas as PD, and let's assign a variable PD dot, let's say data frame, PD dot or data frame, and let me just create a dictionary. And you know that a dictionary is a name, a key, and the key has values. Okay, so let's the name be a list. Let's say a list, and let's just add some other names, Alice and Bob. Okay, 2 names are enough, and after that you need to have a value. So let's say that I assign the score of these names. So let the score be in the form of a list. Let's say 80, 90. Okay, you need to remember that dictionary is always in the curly brackets, so don't forget that. And now when you run it, you will see that the name Alice has score 88 and Bob is score 98, and it will be in the form of a table. Now let me just print dp, and you will see that the output is displayed here on the screen. Alice is 98, 88, and Bob is 90. So that Pandas is usually used for tables. NumPy is for numerical calculations, so you need to remember these things. Okay, and there is one more thing which is very important, and it's about virtual environment. To create a virtual environment is to have packages that do not disturb all of your computer. Packages that are just specific for this this specific project. So to do that, all you need to do is just use Python /m veno and my env. Okay, you just have to copy it, and this is for virtual. This is for what? Virtual environment. Virtual environment setup, and you just have to paste it here in the terminal. Come to the terminal and paste it. And you can see that here folder is created for you. Okay, so for Macs and Linux we have another code. We can type this code for Linux, and Mac source my bin activate. Similarly, you can do it for Windows. My environment, and this is / scripts and activate. This is for window. This is for window, and this is for Mac and Linux.